really interesting to be here at the forum, literally forum, that is organized by LOVE, Literature Across Frontiers, and to meet all these people who do the similar things but on different sides of the world.
This has been a great opportunity to meet people from all across Europe who are working on fascinating projects.
People from Malta, from Scotland, from Portugal, or here in Wales.
You get to see how many ideas get circulated in all these different languages.
And it's inspiring and it's educational and it reminds us, I think, that we're not alone in the world.
It's been a really great way to network and also understand some of the issues about translated fiction.
And we've been sharing how to diversify our audiences and create a following via social media, via regular events, open mics and so on. I've learned a lot. I'm still overflowing with information. I have a lot to process.
I'm very thankful that Literature Across Frontiers makes this work to draw attention on more translations of smaller languages.
It's a chance for translators who are usually sort of working by themselves at home to come out and talk to cultural organisations and the rest of the publishing industry about what we're doing and about how we can work together.
You create links which hopefully will lead us to new ideas and new thoughts, but also will lead us in, I always hope for that, for a bigger space for literature in individual countries, but also in Europe in general.